You try and eat healthy, but where fast food's so easy to get your hands on, it's like you just fall straight back into eating it again.
We can order it to school, like we can order like pizza or something.
The habits start early, and so you can't just suddenly change it up halfway through someone's life.
In a report today, teenagers are calling for takeaway foods to come with health warnings. A quarter admit they've ordered a takeaway to their school. More than a third say there are places selling unhealthy food less than 2 minutes' walk from their school. And almost 1 in 3 have gone to a fast food takeaway specifically because it offers free Wi-Fi.
We'd like clearer food labelling for kids, warning the dangers, the health warnings of obesity. We'd like retailers to make the healthy choice the easier choice.
Experts say the government needs to listen to young voices as part of the strategy to tackle a growing health crisis. Gargi Patel, Good Morning Britain.